Hey, it's Brent with another question about the shit test encyclopedia. It says, Brent, if I'm out alone and a woman says, who are you here with? How might you respond? I would say, you, if you play your cards right. Right? So, you, if you jump through all the hoops I'm going to tell you to jump through. You, if you say all the right things. You, if you show enough interest. You, right? Like that's what you're telling her. Awesome, right? You could also say, what have I also said? Why? Why do you care? Why? Interested? What's your point? Who are you here with? What's your point? Well, I just want to know. Listen, do you have a point? Is there a point coming soon here? Or are you just going to be like all the other girls who talk to me? They get all nervous and they don't know what to do because they're talking to a hot guy and blah, 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 blah. Well, listen, if you're not going to hurry up, then I gotta roll. I gotta roll out here and talk to some more people. Bang. See? Very confident. Very confident. Okay, so listen. That's my idea off the top of my head. I hope that helps. Try it. And if you want more killer responses to every shit test a woman could give you, go to nomoreshittest.com. Talk to you later.